Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials: charged phone, internet access, and recovery contact ready. Once done, go straight to Settings and open Accounts or Users and Accounts. Select Google and remove the account you want to reset, which clears local sync and cached data. Make sure you stop sync rather than factory reset the device. After removal, open the Gmail app and tap the profile circle, then choose Add another account to start the re-authentication process. Now sign in with your Gmail address and type the correct password. If you changed it recently, use the latest one. Once entered, Google will ask for two-factor verification. Respond to a prompt, enter an SMS code, or use your Authenticator app. This prevents unauthorized re-ads. After verification, the app shows sync choices. Pick Mail plus Contacts and Calendar if you want them restored. Make sure sync intervals match your preference and allow background data. Finish by opening Gmail and pulling down to refresh. Send a quick test email to confirm outgoing mail and check incoming messages. Make sure notifications are enabled for the account and verify sync status under Account Settings so Contacts and Calendar populate. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Try Account Recovery or enter backup codes, and if two-factor blocks you, temporarily disable the Authenticator on another device or use the recovery phone number. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves stuck verifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.